Hi everyone, welcome back. And today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make this simple breakfast recipe. So let's get started. So I'll be using 4 slices of bread and 4 eggs and 2 sausages. I'll be needing chili powder, seasoning and salt. So firstly, I'm going to crack the eggs just the way I'm doing this video. After cracking the eggs, I'm going to beat the eggs. So after I'm done beating the eggs for some minutes, I will go in with the chili powder, seasoning cubes and salt. So I'm going to beat this very well until everything is combined. Then I'm going to set it aside. So the next thing is to cut in my sausages just like this. I'm just going to cut it small like this. Then I will set it aside. So now that I'm done prepping all the ingredients, I'm just going to set this aside. So the next thing is to put a pan on the fire. Then I will go in with a little bit of vegetable oil. Then I will go in with the beaten eggs, just the way I'm doing on this video. Then the next is to add in my sliced bread. I'm going to be using 2 sliced bread at a roll. So I'm just going to add in like this, then flip the bread all over. Use the bread to rub the egg, then flip it all over like this. Then I'll allow this to fry a little. Then the next is to turn the bread to the other side. I'm going to allow the other side to toast. So once the other side is ready, I'm going to take it off the heat. We are going to be repeating the same process until we are done frying the egg and the bread. And guys, thanks for clicking to this video. If you are new here, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video, and please don't forget to like this video. And to my return subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please keep watching, keep liking and keep commenting. So at this point, our bread and egg is nicely toasted, and I'm going to set this aside. Like I said, repeat the same process until you are done with your bread and egg. So once that is done, I went in with a little bit of vegetable oil into the pan again. Then I'm going to add in my sausages. Then I'll start to fry. I'll keep turning so that it will not get burnt. So you can see how nicely and yummy these sausages is looking. So at this point, breakfast is ready. So the next thing is to make my tea. But what will you be eating this with? Are you going to be eating this with freshly made juice, normal juice, or you are going to make tea or coffee? For me, I'm making my tea, so I went in with my tea and some sugar. Then I add in a boiled water. Then I'm going to go in with my milk. Guys, this was so yummy and very easy to put together. At this point, our breakfast is ready. Serve and enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and drop me a comment. So guys, I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.